Okay, so we're going to do, or I'm going to do an unboxing of some products that I got from Forabeli. This is their box for their eyelash shampoo. I'm really liking the colors. On the very bottom, there's a QR code. It says live chat on Facebook. It's hypoallergenic, deep cleansing, nourishing formula, sustains extension, skin antioxidant, and total aftercare. It has at-home use. It has instructions on salon use. It has 6 plant extracts. And once this is open, it's good to last you about 6 months. I was not expecting it to be a shampoo, a cleansing brush for your lashes, and a cute little spoolie. It has instructions on how to use it properly, which is always nice. They have this cute little spoolie that came with it. I was not expecting that, in a cute little case. Love the packaging. Very sustainable. Plastic. And I thought this little brush was so cute. The bristles on this brush are super soft. Like so soft. So on their website, Forabeli's website, you can buy this shampoo with the spoolie and lash brush, like the bundle. It's usually $17.99, but it's on sale for $12.99. You can also get it on Amazon. If you get it on Amazon, it's $11.99, but you might have to pay, for shipping and of course taxes. So then I also got their lash primer. I like the fact that all of their stuff is like really sealed. Like you can tell like it has not been tampered with. So right now their primer on their website is also on sale. It's normally, I believe, $16.99, but it's on sale for $10.99. Oh, it comes with this cute little card that has like a QR code, and then if you share your work with them, and then you like get a free bottle. The primer was also like sealed in plastic. You can also get the primer on Amazon, and on Amazon it is $9.99 right now. Then I got their strong eyelash extension glue. I have used this glue before. This glue is $20.99 on their website. If you get it from Amazon, it's $19.99, but remember you may have to pay, of course, like taxes and shipping. So the glue came with another little card. So I have 2 little cards, which I thought was cute that it comes with that in the products, Another little QR code. They're saying thank you for your order. Instructions, how to properly use it, tips and tricks, if you will. And then it is a 5 milliliter bottle. It is for beginner and intermediate. You can use it for volume and classic sets. Formaldehyde free, latex free. It's about 2 to 3 second dry time, lasts up to 6 weeks, and best used between 40 and 70% humidity and temperature 70 to 74 Fahrenheit.